Hi everybody. I just thought of making a really quick sample of. I just played a song called Virgula, just part of it. It's meant to be played two times at the beginning that I played, and then two times. I just played it once of each of the lyrics and one of the beginning. To tell you, because I forgot on the lesson number 3 video, a sample how songs get created from the that scale, the D scale of minor. When I played it, you notice that this was added from the scale, which is called a chromatique, a color, which is like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this trick here, which is again the notes. So basically, from the scale, he's not using anything that's not from the scale. The only thing that's not from the scale is this here from the color, which it goes one. It's called chromatique. And it's used a lot, the chromatiques are used a lot in songs. All the rest, even that, only one note here, the half a note here, that's added. The rest are all the notes are from the scale. Up here, re, mi, la, the closing, la, D, la, re, which is A, D, A, D. That's the closing. A, D on the D on the 4th string. That is the most common closing of songs in the D minor. La, D. That's the closing of minor scale. There's no other, it's La D. Unless someone wants to close it on a La D somewhere else on the scale. Which when you practice all the notes and what we've been learning, when we come to the stage of the accorda, they're called, the closing, the D is the minor closing, the symphony of D. You press the D on the 4th string, and the rest are all open, and that's the symphony of the D minor. What else? Yeah, the rest it's all the scale that I showed. Yeah, all the notes. See, this note is in the scale, that note is in the scale. So if you see my hands going somewhere that I didn't show of the 7 notes on the scale, they're still the same notes but in different areas. But they're very close here. That's why you can play the song in different ways, but you've got to use the same notes. And I showed it from here, which is how we're learning our scales from the D here, 2nd, which is a D. But if you play it, like we also learn, is if you play that by itself, is a D as well. So you can start it that way. You go open, and then mi. So that's what I'm trying to say. So you can use other notes somewhere else on the fretboard, but they have to be the same notes. But you can play the song here where I showed the scale from the D from the 2nd string. That's just an example, and I thought of putting this video up just to so when you learn this scale, it's only 5 notes. La D for finishing. So you can clearly see that you can create your own stuff as well, like by just using the same notes that I showed, and all over the fretboard, and you can create your own stuff from the same notes. And don't forget the fingers, like we said. You can clearly see how I've started the song with the first finger and the third and the fourth. That's how the song starts, and it's just exactly from what I showed. See, exactly what from here, from the scale here, 5 notes. I just thought of making this quick video, so good practicing, and I'll make another video shortly.